Skyscraper design and construction. The structure and development of skyscrapers includes making sheltered, livable spaces and high structures. The structures must help their weight, oppose wind and quakes, and shield inhabitants from fire. Yet they must also be conveniently accessible, even on the upper floors, and provide utilities and a comfortable climate for the occupants. The issues presented in skyscraper configuration are considered among the most mind-boggling experienced given the parities required between financial matters, designing, and development. The executives. Substructure. One of the numerous things that make skyscrapers unique is their base. For instance, the profundity of the pit that holds the foundation needs to arrive at all the best approach to bedrock. In the event that bedrock lies near the surface, the dirt on head of the bedrock is evacuated, and enough of the bedrock surface is expelled to shape a smooth stage on which to develop the structure's establishment. Loading. The load a skyscraper encounters is to a great extent from the power of the structure material itself. In most structure plans, the heaviness of the structure is a lot bigger than the heaviness of the material that it will bolster past its own weight. In specialized terms, the dead burden, the heap of the structure, is bigger than the live burden, the heaviness of things in the structure, individuals, furniture, vehicles, and so forth. All things considered, the measure of basic material required inside the lower levels of a skyscraper will be a lot bigger than the material required inside more higher levels. Shear walls and steel frame. A shear wall, in its least simplest definition, is where the whole material of the wall is utilized in the obstruction of both level and vertical burdens. Since the wall material is utilized to hold the weight, as the wall grows in size, it must hold impressively more weight. By eliminating the inefficient part of a shear wall, the central portion, and consolidating support members in a much stronger material, steel, a skyscraper could be built with both horizontal and vertical supports throughout. This method, though simple, has drawbacks. Chief among these is that as more material must be supported, as height increases, the distance between supporting members must decrease, which actually, in turn, increases the amount of material that must be supported. Difficulties when building skyscrapers. Building skyscrapers can be difficult for factors other than complexity and cost. For instance, in European urban areas like Paris, the distinction between the presence of old engineering and current skyscrapers can make it difficult to get endorsement from nearby specialists to develop new skyscrapers. Building skyscrapers in an old and well-known town can definitely modify the picture of the city. In cities like London, Edinburgh, Portland, and San Francisco there is a legal requirement called protected view, which limits the height of new buildings within or adjacent to the sight line between the two places involved. This rule also makes it harder to find suitable sites for new tall buildings.